impossible discovery. We were told the universe started with the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. We built a $10 billion machine, the James Webb Space Telescope, to look back at the beginning of time itself. We expected to find young baby stars, fragile proto-galaxies, just starting to form in a dark, empty cosmos. But instead, James Webb found something that shouldn't exist. Fully formed massive galaxies, glowing with intense light in the deep cosmos that are simply too big and too old for their time. Did we get cosmic history completely wrong? Or is the universe hiding an impossible secret? To understand why astronomers are genuinely terrified, you need to understand how light travels across the cosmos. When we look deep into space, we are not looking at what is happening today. We are looking back in time. The light from the most distant objects takes billions of years to cross the vacuum of space and reach our lenses. James Webb was designed with a revolutionary infrared vision to peer into the dark age of the universe, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. According to our best physics models, galaxies at this stage should be tiny, chaotic, and extremely sparse. It takes billions of years for gravity to slowly pull gas and dust together to build giant structured systems like our Milky Way. At least, that's what every physics textbook told us. The universe. Breakers and Jade's GSZ 14-0. In mid-2024, researchers analyzing Webb's deep field imagery spotted something that broke the scientific community. They discovered objects like JWST-GS-Z 14-0, a galaxy existing just 290 million years after the Big Bang. These aren't tiny, faint specks of cosmic dust. They are massive, brightly glowing systems containing hundreds of millions of solar masses. Scientists affectionately and nervously called them universe breakers, because according to the standard model of cosmology, there simply wasn't enough time in the early universe for these giants to gather that much matter. Think about it this way. It's like walking into an elementary school kindergarten class and finding a 5-year-old child who is 6 feet tall, fully grown, and wearing a suit. It completely defies the laws of cosmic growth. Even worse, chemical analysis revealed something even more shocking. These galaxies were already rich in heavy elements like oxygen and dust. Heavy elements can only be forged inside the cores of dying stars and massive supernova explosions. If these galaxies already contained heavy dust just 300 million years after the Big Bang, it means generations of massive stars had already lived, died, and exploded before these galaxies were even observed. Mathematically, the timeline simply doesn't add up. The 3 radical theories. So, how do these impossible structures exist? Astronomers are desperately trying to find an answer, and the theories are getting wilder by the day. Theory number 1. Primordial black hole seeds. What if the early universe didn't wait for stars to collapse? Some astrophysicists propose that massive black holes formed directly from dense gas clouds immediately after the Big Bang. These primordial monsters acted as cosmic magnets, rapidly pulling gas into massive structures at speeds we never thought possible. Theory number 2, dark matter acceleration. Our understanding of dark matter might be completely flawed. If dark matter interacted differently in the early universe, it could have forced matter to clump together tenfold faster than modern simulations predict. But theory number 3 is the most radical of all. What if the Big Bang wasn't the absolute beginning of everything? A growing number of physicists are reconsidering alternative cosmological models, such as the cyclic universe theory. What if our universe did not start from nothing, but was born from the collapse of a previous universe? If that's true, these impossible galaxies might carry the ancient remnants of a cosmic era that existed before the Big Bang. Rethinking reality and outro. If James Webb has proven anything over the past few months, it's that the cosmos does not care about our theories or our textbooks. Every single time humanity builds a better tool to understand reality, nature reveals a deeper, more disturbing mystery. We are forced to ask ourselves a humbling question. Are we simply missing a fundamental law of physics? Or are we living in an ancient universe far stranger and far older than we ever dared to imagine? What do you think? Did James Webb break physics, or is our timeline of the universe wrong? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space, hit the like button and subscribe to AU Minds for more breakdowns of cosmic discoveries. Until next time, keep questioning reality.